This effect, I didn't make it. Even this one, I didn't created it from scratch either. And that's the crazy part. There are hundreds, even thousands of effects like this available out there, and new ones keep getting added constantly. So what is this and how can you get it? Let's see. But before that, if you're someone who edits your videos on your own, or if you're a freelance video editor, or even working a full time as a video editor, this tool is for you. And trust me, it can save you hours of editing time. I have been personally using this for months now, and it's been a complete game changer. Whether you want fancy transitions, lower thirds, title openers, you name it, the list just goes on. And the best part, there is an offer where once you pay, you get the lifetime access. At the end of this video, I'm also sharing a special discount coupon, so you will get an extra discount during checkout. The tool name is AE Juice. Some of you might have already heard of it, and if not, continue watching this video because I want you to know more about this. First, let's take a look at the different options you get inside the AE Juice. It usually comes with a yearly subscription plan, and you can see the wide range of effects it offers. And the coolest part, it's all just drag and drop. You literally drop into your timeline and that's it. It's that easy. Plus, you can customize almost every single element in each effect, making it super convenient and helping you use your creativity to the fullest. Once you start using this tool, you will realize the real power behind it. There is even a free version available, so you can try it out. But if you want access to the more pro level effects, upgrading to their paid plan is totally worth it. Now, let's head over to their website. I'll also show you how to use my special discount coupon. You will find the link in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Once you click that link, you will be redirected to this page. Here, you can see the list of different products. And one more thing, AE Juice can be used as an extension in almost all professional video editing softwares. You can see the list of supported applications right on the left side of their website. Now choose the plan you want, add it to your cart, and before you make the payment, click on the coupon code section and enter BUNNY10, Bunny 10, all in caps. You will instantly get an additional 10% off. You can even combine one or more products together and still use this coupon code. Once you complete your purchase, you will receive all the details in your email. Next, just download the plugin from this website, install it and start using it to save hours of editing time. I hope this video helps to everyone looking for an all-in-one plugin for video editing. Personally, I also searched for it, so that's why I'm using it for some couple of months. You can use it for your personal project files or even for client work. That's the video. Don't forget to click the link in the description box and apply the special discount coupon during the checkout, Bunny10, to get an extra 10% off on all the plans. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.